can't do the holler next.
Can this go on her head?
Cheese is melted.
The cheese is melted.
She don't like it.
Jamie, move. She likes that.
Baby. Let's take it out.
She likes the camera or the candle.
I know, she's been doing that all morning. We were trying to open all these toys that she got, and she wanted to play with the dog's little pet toy.
What dog? Oh.
Say thank you.
Say whatever.
Say thank you.
Marissa, look at me.
Say cheese.
Oh.
It's funny because she
Don't
goes
look at me.
cheese.
Look at her.
This is screwed in.
That's it.
Poppy has screwdrivers. Go
Marissa,
out.
Marissa.
Oh.
See if she'll grab it and play with it.
Oh. Amber, look at your baby. She's like, what the heck?
Oh, she even knows how to work it.
Yeah, I told you she loves phones and stuff like that.
Oh, see, she wants it back.
Oh, you gotta take those little
Thanks,
screwdrivers
guys.
off.
Chloe, let her have it back.
Oh, she could get it off later. We just didn't know we could just rip the package. We're not that smart.
Let her see
That's
it.
fine, Dad. That's fine. Let's
Marissa, say, give me the phone back.
Then can I use it, Lauren?
Play
Yeah.
with it.
give it. Look,
Which
baby,
one
look.
do you want to go to? You want to go to...
She wants the phone.
Here, wait, let me
Or
see.
not the phone.
Go, go, go.
She's gonna dance.
Go, go, go.
Don't worry about that bread.
You put it right here, Dan.
No, she says give it to me.
Go.
How cute.
She's like, do I take it?
Hold it. She wants to hold it.
She's dancing for me. Aw. Marissa?
Go. She's swaying.
Very simple.
That's funny.
We got you guys something, but we're waiting for Ryan and Caitlin, I guess.
Oh my god, her face is so cute.
That's some good bread. Man.
Good job.
I love that bread. We went to the German bakery and bought that bread.
Look at her.
Dance, Mama, dance.
Dance.
Oh.
Annie. Come here.
Marissa, dance.
What do they got?
Go.
Oh, sorry.
Dance.
Dance.
Dance?
Oh, she's like,
She's like, go away.
Dancing.
She's like, go away and I'll dance. She's like, stop coming in here.
Stare at her. Just like,
Marissa?
Go, go, go.
Oh.
She can't
Aw.
hold everything, she said.
She's like, here.
Lauren, how do you get the internet?
Chloe, you just got in my way.
Did you get that for Christmas?
Yeah.
Are you kidding me? Where's mine? I want it back.
No, that's not a phone.
What?
That's an iPod. That's an iPod Touch.
Oh, it looks like an iPhone.
It's just like an iPhone, except you can't call.
Are you kidding me?
Mine,
Must have been that.
Lauren, wait to where you go to internet.
Spit up.
Oh, snap.
I spilled. I don't know. I guess I'll wipe my hand after I
Go.
Oh.
Marissa, look, dance.
So it does the same thing? Gets on the internet and stuff?
Yeah.
Why did you
On the
burn
internet
your
last
phone?
night.
Just get her a phone.
Why?
She don't want an iPhone.
Dude, ain't that right? I'm your mom's #1 son-in-law, huh?
Yeah.
Sure, if it makes you feel better.
Look at her.
What did Mom say? Mom said, did everybody else get a divorce?
Look at her.
She's got it all up on her ear.
She's like, yeah.
Baby, pumpkins.
Aw. So yeah.
After me.
That's our boombox. Here, put it up here by your shoulder. Look, she's holding it by her shoulder.
Okay, what do I do?
Jane, she has hair right here on her lip. You only see it in the sun.
Oh, I saw it, yeah.
Did you get it?
What did she see? I think she sees a plant.
No, she sees Ho-Ho.
Oh.
That's what you guys used to call them.
That's the easiest thing to say. It's hard to say Santa.
She just said, ho, ho.
Marissa!
There's Caitlin.
She's like, give it
Ryan.
back.
There's